Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to find draft reels on Instagram. For example, if you have previously uploaded a reel on Instagram and you have do not set it to public or send it to your Instagram account, then how you can find that same reel on Instagram. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply open the Instagram app here. After that, you have to click on that plus button here and you have to go to reels. And after that, what you have to do, you have to click on drafts, and here you can simply find all of your drafts here. And if you want to edit your draft, you can simply click on edit and simply edit your draft. And after that, editing, you can simply turn it to public and send it to your Instagram account without any problem. In this way, you can simply see all of your drafts which you have not sent to Instagram account. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.